Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Perkenalkan, saya Aptonia Nelci Kalomi, dosen program studi pendidikan bahasa Inggris, Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan, Universitas Katolik Widya Mandira, Kupang. Video ini akan menampilkan proses pembelajaran mata kuliah Introduction to Literature, mata kuliah wajib 2 SKS bagi mahasiswa semester 2. Materi yang ditampilkan merupakan pertemuan ke-13 dengan topik Introduction to Drama and Monologue. Pada pertemuan ini, mahasiswa diharapkan mampu memahami perbedaan antara dialog dan monolog, mengidentifikasi unsur-unsur penampilan monolog yang baik, serta mampu menyusun dan menampilkan monolog singkat dengan perjalanan emosi yang jelas. Pembelajaran dilaksanakan secara tatap muka dengan pendekatan aktif dan berpusat pada mahasiswa. Metode yang digunakan meliputi guided review, kemudian pengamatan video, diskusi pasangan dan kelas, latihan terbimbing, praktek individu, peer feedback, dan refleksi. Media pembelajaran yang digunakan berupa puisi, video monolog, slide presentasi, worksheet, dan guided prompts. Pembelajaran dimulai dengan melihat kembali simbolisme melalui perbedaan antara makna langsung dan makna langsung atau literal dan makna tidak langsung atau tersembunyi. Pemahaman tersebut dihubungkan dengan contoh dan 2 puisi yang telah dipelajari pada pertemuan sebelumnya. Kemudian diarahkan menuju pembelajaran drama dan monolog. Mahasiswa selanjutnya mengamati sebuah video monolog yang berfokus pada penampilan tokoh, ekspresi wajah, suara, dan intonasi, serta keseluruhan penampilan. Hasil pengamatan dituliskan dalam worksheet, dibahas bersama pasangan, kemudian dibagikan melalui diskusi kelas. Setelah itu, mahasiswa mempelajari perbedaan dialog dan monolog, karakteristik monolog yang baik, serta pentingnya emotional journey. Mahasiswa mengikuti latihan membaca bersama, mempraktikkan monolog secara terbimbing, dan tampil secara individu. Pada kegiatan penerapan, mahasiswa diberikan sebuah situasi dan perjalanan emosi. Dengan bantuan guided prompts, mereka menyusun monolog singkat secara mandiri. Beberapa mahasiswa kemudian menampilkan monolognya di depan kelas dan memperoleh umpan balik dari teman. Penilaian formatif dilakukan melalui observasi keterlibatan mahasiswa, hasil worksheet, penyusunan dan penampilan monolog, peer feedback, dan refleksi. Ketercapaian pembelajaran dilihat dari kemampuan mahasiswa mengidentifikasi unsur-unsur monolog, membangun perjalanan emosi, serta menampilkan monolog menggunakan ekspresi, wajah, suara, dan intonasi yang sesuai. Pembelajaran diakhiri dengan refleksi bersama, penguatan materi, dan pengumpulan worksheet. Berikut kita simak cuplikan videonya.
What we have discussed last week, because I think that is important before you start to learn the next topic. Jadi review back atau review back tentang poetry. So, what is symbolism actually? What is symbolism?
Representing of an object.
An object representing an object. Okay. For example, can you give me example?
Rain.
Rain. Very good. Rain. Masih ingat? Rain.
It is raining in my house.
Yeah, it is raining in my heart. Yeah, okay. So the object is rain and also heart. So what it represent? What rain and heart represent? The rain is representing apa? Rain.
Water.
Weather, okay. The weather, it is okay. Alright. Rain is because of weather. But is it about the weather? No.
The water is going around you.
Oh, the sentence is the weather is different meaning. So kita
lately certain
Okay.
moments feel strangely important.
Okay, so what do you think about this quote?
Like we have already create moments with someone, and then that moment becomes stranger very importantly to us, even though that person is already is not
It's
with
already
us,
done. Oh, wow.
it's not with us anymore. It's not with us anymore.
Oh, so the person is not with you anymore?
Oh,
I know, okay. You're spending a great time together,
Yeah.
and then it becomes a really important moment. But now, he's not there anymore.
Yeah.
He's not with you.
I think like someone there never not have the courage to confess.
To someone, yeah, okay.
Missing someone and want to be your
Oh,
secret.
are you missing someone?
Yes.
No, it is, I think it is relatable, yeah, that's really true. So, actually, this quote is stated like, I like him, I like this person. Ya kan? Ya, overall-nya, dari keseluruhan ceritanya mau menggambarkan bahwa, oke, I like him. Tapi tidak pernah ada kata like di situ. Ya kan? So, ya, tapi kalian bisa, kita bisa akhirnya menangkap bahwa, oh,
And in the last
there is
answer,
something.
slowly searching for one person, difficult part.
Yeah.
And if seeing that for a second, it's very
Now,
good.
to make a day in song. What is the second? Apakah kau misalnya?
Bukan.
Beda. It's lonely.
Lonelier, yeah? But who is lonely? We already know feelings, we already learn emotions from the voice. Yeah? Hari ini, the main topic is that we learn emotion through our action. Which is called, the next type of literature is? Drama. Drama tidak bisa hanya sekedar ditulis dan dibaca. Yes. Drama needs to be performed. Drama needs to be heard. Drama needs to be seen. Drama needs to be felt. And for this time, I will give you a very brief explanation. I just want you to listen to watch one performance, and then you put your friend next to you or beside you. Fokus ke what does the actor look like? Itu kan the first question, and then the second is the facial expression, and then the voice and intonation. Kemudian emosinya apakah terlihat atau tidak. Sama terakhir adalah overall. Nah, ya, kalau keseluruhannya seperti itu. Nanti you will do it. I think 5 minutes only. Bisa? Berapa menit kita lakukan? 5 minutes. Jadi kita mau apa saja? Lihat teksnya, kalau kalian tidak mengerti, ya, bacakan ulang saja. This is what they're also listening to. Yeah. Okay, overthinking. Yeah. Okay. So are you ready for the worksheet? So you with the partner sitting beside you, and then you discuss the questions. 5 minutes only, and then you can ask. Which group of this or this? This side or this side? Okay.
So for the questions,
Listen, everybody.
so for the first questions, what does the actor look like?
First thing is that it is looking
Nervous and restless.
restless. And then next thing is
Waiting for wearing dress.
is he very nice?
No.
Yes. Yes.
What do we say? Flexible also.
He's very in a tuxedo. For a suit, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Wearing suit, waiting for his upcoming one.
What does he look like? Yeah, the other is the look, the appearance, yeah. This first question actually relates when when you watch or enjoy drama for the very first time, you mostly focus on the look. Kalau salah lihat bukan dari ceritanya tapi dari Are you the one? What do you think about his facial expression? On the video.
His words and ears. His eyes become white when he's chaos.
That's the clue. That's the point. Bahasanya Vicky also show it.
But his smile when he left. His smile when he
The
excited.
smile face.
Sweat.
Yeah, the
When the breeze at the bright he's so excited. That's why. That's right. He's wait. He's everywhere. He thinks the right. Right.
Mama, seperti kamu fix betul? With this one, the facial expression, for example, the eyes wide open. Yeah, facial expression. And then voice-nya bagaimana?
She's doing a fast tempo.
He's fast when he's
Ada fast, fast pace.
ada high tone, soft voice.
Nah, tadi seperti berteriak sedikit ya.
Ya.
Bahkan kayaknya sangat keren. Apakah voice dari Indonesia berpengaruh?
Ya.
Right?
It's
So,
emotion.
representing the feelings.
Representing the
Emotion.
emotion. Nah, kita dengar suara saja kayak kalau kita bisa berucap. Right? Emotion. Nah, ini guys unik ya karena everybody David apakah the group only remain on the same emotion for the rest of the video, or the group only express one kind of emotion? What do you think?
It's many emotions.
Many emotion. Ya, emosi apa tadi paling sama? Misalnya kalau seperti apa, and then
Because he's excited.
Anxiety. Okay, very good. At the first one is
Excited.
So we go back to the situation. At first, what is happening? At first, what is happening? Why does he panic?
He's right. He don't show up matanya.
That's the practice.
He not show up.
Doesn't show up for us.
She's not calling.
She's not calling. Very good.
That's not
He is waiting for.
Yeah, good.
Right. So what emotion should we expect?
Overthinking.
Overthinking.
Oh.
Tadi and then apa yang agak perlu emosi apa yang dia
Don't think about it. Don't think about it.
No.
ada perubahan
Dari anxiety and then chasing to relief. When someone say that her brother, his brother will come.
Oke, relief ya. Relief karena his bride is coming. Tapi sebelum kita harus pakai emosi. He is not panic, he is thinking about something.
Reflection. Refleksi.
Kalau misalnya kita tinggal ke bahan, tadi emosi apa ya?
Excited.
Waktu belum ya? Tapi kalau kita thinking about I never walk around the field. Terus dia stop. Karena itu kan apa? Takut, ya kan? Fear about fear that he can set her free, make her free, or making her stop with him. Ya kan? Jadi dia merasa dia orang itu akan ended up stuck with you.
He does not do it.
Yeah, I think that is not good for but actually, kalau dari itu juga ada percaya. No, why no?
No, because because we don't see the great pride.
Oh, you need
Yeah.
to see the Berarti kok jadi kan harus jadi calon suami perempuan itu tahu dia layak apa layak.
yet. Oh, not yet.
Kenapa bisa?
Just take that time.
You will makan. Kenapa kalian bisa juga melakukan nada tadi? Karena you also have those type of emotions. Kalian pernah nervous, pernah tense, pernah level, pernah stressful, apalagi sekarang I know this week. Ya, jadi tidak mungkin kalau you all aspect. The only issue is that can you do that in front. Kalau sendiri bisa, kalau orang lain bagaimana? Nah itu salah satu challenge kalau you want to do that. You're not performing this style in front of yourself, atau basically you need to perform in front of Allah. Gitu ya? So action, okay? So, do you enjoy this?
Yes.
But we are not at the I invite this into several emotions. You see, concern, worry, and fear, and pain, and this one is also. So this emotional journey. Emotional
Journey.
Apa?
Emotional journey.
Okay. Emotional changes based on the situation. Jadi kita tidak bisa kasih satu emosi dalam satu pertunjukan. You need to explore emotion and then think about it. Konfliknya ada tidak di cerita tadi?
Ada.
Tidak ada.
Pertama, when the room is open.
Man versus him? Bisa. Bukan dari faktornya ya, dengan dirinya. Man versus kita, man versus ya kan? Kalian tidak pernah berkonflik di diri sendiri.
Sering today.
Every single night.
Every single time.
Every single time.
And every single time I think about it.
Skip ya, oke. Dari video tadi adalah sebuah drama tapi khusus untuk yang namanya monolog. Why? Menurutku kenapa? Why? Monolog.
Because that one person talk alone. One person.
Monolog itu sebut monolog, bukan dialog. Monolog beda. So tadi, yang tadi video tadi itu adalah salah satu contoh dari monolog. Kenapa? Karena only one person speak. Ya, sesi monolog. Jadi itu biasa dalam drama. Jadi jangan tuh one person character to stand up in front of you on the stage maybe alone. He is expressing himself. He is expressing his mind. Yeah, the story based on his point of view. Monolog and dialog mostly yang paling berbeda paling penting adalah dialog itu monolog is about communication. There also is a passion. Yeah, and they change ideas. Kalau misalnya seseorang melakukan monolog dari segi point of view, what should be expressed? How should it be expressed? Expression. Kalian berdua bertiga. Apa aspek apa yang membuat sebuah monolog itu berkesan? Kalian tulis tiga. Aspek tadi di bagian bawah. History, characteristic, tiga poin aja. What do you think? What should be done? What should be delivered? What do you see? A monolog, good monolog. Bersama kepada penonton.
This is English class.
Yes, please. Not getting wrong.
I think emotion is really important for monologue because long speech and not have emotional in the speech. Everyone cannot or audience cannot feel about emotion about the character saying maybe the angry or feeling lonely, loneliness or hopeful. Yes. Yes, very good. Did you have something in mind?
Conflict.
Something. Why conflict?
Because it's conflict is when all the characters, all the problems gather in one moment.
Yes.
That become the main conflict that make the monologue
interest.
Okay, so conflict makes the monologue interesting. You agree with that? No, because no.
Why?
Because I think drama wants to have a conflict, right? Yes. But I think for audience can feel the character feeling. Yes, and I think it's emotional expression is really important, right?
So how did they gonna represent their feelings if there is no conflict inside them?
Yes, I know that, but if you watch a drama movie, every drama has a conflict, right? So, tapi kalau drama itu kan ada ekspresi, ya sama saja. Tidak ada punya konflik. So, begini, kan itu juga kunci drama. Memang setiap drama punya konflik, tapi bagaimana konflik tersebut bisa tersampaikan itu harus ada ekspresi dan emosional.
So how do the actor express his feelings? Is so when they don't feel anything, they just express their emotions. When there's no conflict, they just sad, like nothing happened, but they just sad, very happy, no conflict at all. See, that's a crazy person.
Two different points. Thank you. Very good. Yeah. We have a lot of discussion here. So conflict must be there, of course. No drama. Misalnya no conflict. Ya kan? Semua drama pasti ada konflik. And okay, I agree also that expression needs to be there. Ya kan? To support the conflict. To represent the conflict. So audience will get used to know the conflict by the facial expression. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. So there is no wrong answer here. Thank you very much. Yeah. So I appreciate that you talk more than I do. So maybe to practice. I think we are not ending here. We don't know practice. We don't know practice. Okay. We need also to practice, right? We will do it together and then warming. No, just we are running out of time. But I think this is Mara and then this is John. Let's stop this time. 3, 2, 1. Is drama easy? No. Yes, there should be more than one situation. Nah ini namanya apa, Chris? Kenapa dialog? Kalau yang ini? Don't just read, but express. Okay? 3, 2, 1.
Tomorrow is exam, and honestly, I'm still terrified.
Tanpa lihat list, tanpa lihat teman sebelah, tanpa lihat sekeliling, karena I know, and you, for now, tomorrow exam, and honestly, I'm lagi sangat susah. Ya, jadi beginning, middle, ending. Jadi what is happening, terus middle-nya, what is character thinking and feeling, kemudian how does the character react to the final event. Untuk memudahkan kalian, Miss kasih from di awal ya. Jadi kalian cuma meluruskan menyambung ke insight. Jadi kalian right now, I'm sitting outside my classroom and apa sesuai poin. Kemudian middle-nya I give, ternyata I give. Imagine.
Right now, I'm sitting inside the class and keep thinking about our loves in the football game last night. I try to get rid of it from my mind. Because of that, I start to lose focus in the class.
About the gestures, maybe the facial expressions, the voice, kita sudah tanya tadi. What do you think? Oh, just come here. Nothing. Dan satu lagi, Miss menyarankan kalian untuk pay attention also to the emotional journey. Karena beberapa part needs its own emotion. Misal, okay. For the very last one, like the word, and then we go on metric. What do you think about monologue? Tadi bilang ada monologue.
A person who express their emotions and with talk.
With a long speech. Okay, very good.
Oh,
Lalu ini. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, white, green, gold, and which one is kalian? The artist. The first, the easiest, and then the hardest. The easiest is happy. Yellow. Happy, cheerful, optimistic.
Black.
Easy.
me for now, brown. I think brown.
No, I already got it.
I just take some assignments.
Because tomorrow,
Yeah. Or not.
the hardest one. The hardest, maybe?
Pink. Yeah. How can I express if I don't have someone to
Very soon.